The most unexpected moments caught on doorbell camera. CCTV footage captured a man delivering a package to a resident when something unexpected happened.
Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh no. What the hell?
The delivery man accidentally bumped into the cactus and struggled to remove the thorns from his butt.
Oh god. Oh. That's cool. That's new. Oh. Oh god, sorry. Oh, that's in there.
Obviously, that wasn't a pleasant feeling. The homeowner should have been more mindful of where they placed the cactus.
Oh, that did not just happen. Oh my god. Okay.
Tell me, what do you think about this?